Hi, my name is Michael Sinemi. If you're new to the channel and you find value in this content, I would like to invite you to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Thank you. Welcome back. Before I get started, I would like to let y'all know the discussion for this video will be on Friday. In this video, I'll be giving a preview of a product I'm about to install in a utilitarian project I'm about to embark on. And what it is a mobile leveling feet. I know I've shown something like this before, actually this one, which was on my combination jointer planer, but this one is going to be for the lumber cart that I'm getting ready to build. Now, I also want to give you an update on this one. It's still working like a champ, but I had a problem with the jointer planer itself. Where it attaches, it seems to be just a nut that is weld, and it looked like it's just tack weld apparently, because I was moving it the other day and this particular one was cocked to one side and I thought something was wrong with it. Came to find out the nut, the weld broke. So I'm gonna have to come up with a new solution to rectify that. Actually, I think I came up with a solution already. I just have to implement it. I'm gonna make a plywood base. What I'm gonna do is sandwich two Baltic birch together to make it stout enough for this machine. And then I'm gonna use a T-nut similar to the one I'm gonna be using on the lumber cart. But to fit this one is metric. So I'm gonna get one like this and I'm gonna put that into the plywood base and be able to screw into it, and the machine will sit on top of the plywood base. Anyway, back to business. This one I think I got directly from the company. I forgot the name of the company for this one. This one I got off of Amazon. And this one is rated for 1,100 pounds. And I plan to have loaded up with plywood, and I plan to have compartments to store some lumber in it. Finished mill lumber and moldings that I make with my molder. This particular one, the stem on it is a 1/2 inch. The company that makes this called FOOTMASTER, and the model number is a GDR-80S-BLK, which is for the color black. And it cost me about $98 a piece. So for 4 of them, just figure about $400. What I like about this one over the previous one, if you notice on this, the way you adjust the padding on it, and by the way, that's where the utility in these come in. With the pad fully up, is mobile. You can roll, and you can roll freely, 360 degree of freedom. That's what I like about it. But then when you're ready to make it stationary, in this particular one, you put down this pad, and this pad extends past the wheel, thus making it stationary. So that's the idea behind of it. And it has a little bit more travel, so it gives you a leveling aspect to it. So you can also use it for leveling equipment. So that's what makes these useful. Now, as I just showed you, this one, you use this with your hand. It can be a little bit difficult sometimes, but it's not bad. This new one, what caught my eye about it was 2 things. I was able to get it in a 1/2 inch stud. The stud for it, the stem, is a 1/2 inch. And I'm able to get 1/2 inch T-nuts. These are very hard to find, but you can get them on Amazon. So I'll be able to use this T-nut in the plywood, in the base of the cart, and then screw this up into it. And that's going to be my method for mounting it. So I like that about it. The other thing I like about it is, you see this little contraction you're seeing right sticking out here? It's actually a lever that gives you mechanical leverage. Not only that, it's ratcheting. I have it all the way up now. This is it all the way up. This is it all the way down. You can see how far off the ground it is. Okay. Now, kind of like a regular ratchet, you flick it to the other side and you can see that going down. And it goes as far down as you can see it right here. I like that a lot. Now, as far as durability and all of that, it seems to be well built. In my opinion, this one seemed to be better built. But this seemed to be very durable. It's made out of cast aluminum and is rated for 1,100 pounds. When you're not using it, that goes in there. I find that to be very neat. As I put it through its paces, everyday use, I'll come back and give you all an update on the build quality and the durability of it. But for now, I do not see any potential issues. And I think it's going to serve my purpose very well. Now, where I'm going to keep this lumber rack, which is primarily for plywood, by the way, that's my biggest issue. I don't have a good way of storing a full sheet of plywood, much less full sheets of plywood. I don't really need it to be mobile, but I want it to be mobile. I may find a situation where I might want to position it directly in front of my door into the shop, where I could just slide plywood into it, load up plywood onto it, and then push it back into position. That's one of the way I'm thinking that it being mobile is going to be beneficial to me. And when I move to another shop, I still would like the idea of it to be able to move around. So that's the whole reason why I'm making it mobile. But for the most part, that's it. I think it's an ingenious idea, this whole concept with the ratcheting. But if something goes wrong, I will be giving you all the feedback on it. I know at $98 is, some might consider it to be pricey, but for what it does, in my opinion, I think it's worth it. This one too, I think it was worth it. I think this was like $55 each for the smaller one. But it works. It does what it's supposed to do. This one did. What happened with my jointer planer wasn't the fault of this. This is still 100% intact. Very short video today, and that's what I have for you. If you made it to the end, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and please be safe in the shop.